Hi, my name is Jewel Aldous. Hello. My name is Jewel Aldous and Alejo II. I will teach you how to do this. First step, you have to click the switch PT and the CLI switch. Press it thrice. And after that, click type enable and enter. And after that, type configure space terminal and then enter. After that, you have to know this 9-1. Then back again to the SW2 and then type fast interface fast fast Ethernet 9-1 and enter. After that, type shut down, then enter. And then after that, do this to all switch. Go again to the other switch. From SW3, disable the connection to PC4. Enable, type enable, enter, and configure terminal. Then enter. Then look the number on the switch. Fast Ethernet 8-1. Back again and interface fast Ethernet 8-1. Then enter and shut down. Enter. After that, do that again in another switch. From switch 1, disable the connection from the DHCP server. Click the switch PTLE SW1, type enable, enter, and type terminal. Then enter Internet 0-1. Enter and then shut down. after that, you have to re-establish the connection for item 1, 2, and 3. You have to click on switch, and then enter, and then type no shut no shutdown, and enter. After that, do this again to another switch. Type no shutdown, then enter. Do this again. Enter. Shut down. And that's all. Thank you for watching.